readability is the measure of how easy a text is to understand. While not a direct ranking factor, it is an important element of user experience. Optimizing readability will make your audience and your Google Analytics reports happier. Coming up are 3 steps to analyze and improve your readability. 1. Take the Flesch Reading Ease test. Created in the 1940s, the Flesch Reading Ease test measures the readability of a passage in English and allows you to optimize any text's reading difficulty towards the target audience. The easier a sentence is to understand, the higher it is graded on the scale of 0 to 100. To take the test, simply Google Flesch Reading Ease test and use one of the free tools to measure your readability. 2. See if your grade corresponds to your audience. As a content creator, you should always have a good idea of who your audience is. Using the Flesch Reading Ease test, you can check which audience your content is appropriate for. For example, if your content is ranked above 90, it means that an average 11-year-old will have no problem understanding it. In contrast, a score of 30 to 50 means that your text is at a college-level difficulty and may be too difficult to understand for most people. 3. Optimize your text to reach the desired score. If there's a dissonance between your Flesch Reading Ease score and your audience profile, consider optimizing it. Try to break up long sentences into shorter ones and replace multi-syllable words with shorter synonyms. While you may think it will impair the quality of your writing, remember, your main goal is to communicate. So, let's wrap it up. Improving content readability does not directly relate to ranking in search. However, it is one of the key factors defining the user experience. If a user is satisfied with the content they find, they will stay on the page, spend more time reading, and possibly even share it on social media. And how users act on a website is most definitely tied to ranking. That's why adjusting readability to satisfy your audience is always a good idea. If the Flesch Reading Ease test captured your interest, check out the article in the description below to learn more.